Samba, create subdirectory shares with their own permissions. I have a Samba share containing many folders like this. There are around 20 users accessing those shares. Every user can have their individual access to some of the directories. For example, Ben can access Foldera and Folduc, but not Folderb and Foldered. Jenny can access Folderb and Folduc, and so on. I don't want the users to mount each folder they need. I want them to mount the folder share, which contains all the subfolders. The access is then limited by setting the Linux permissions. I created a group for every subdirectory and added the users to those groups. The access control works perfectly for existing files. But whenever a user creates a file in a subdirectory, it is denied for every other user having the permission for read/write access in that directory. To solve this, I played around with the Samba masking but can't get it to work. My Samba conf looks like this. So obviously every user is in the group everybody, so they can mount the share with the subdirectories. The access for each subdirectory is working perfectly fine. But whenever Ben creates a file in Folduc, the file gets the file permissions rwxrr, but it should be rwxrwx. I think the shares for the individual folders don't work at all because I tried to set writable equals no and read only equals yes to test it. Restarted SMBD and NMBD and remounted the network share in Windows 10. The users were able to create files and modify their own. This runs on a Raspberry Pi with Raspbian. The hard drive with the files is formatted as extension 4 and mounted via FSTAB.
Try this config for share sections. Do not forget to check the config and restart Samba. Set permissions. This way, direct access to internal folders is not allowed. Moreover, they are not visible at all and can only be accessed through the parent folder.